Hi, I'm Mark from Minelab, and today I'm going to go through taking a GPZ 7000 out of the box and setting it up. Okay, we've just taken it out of the box, we've powered it on, and we're presented with the language selection screen. What you can see is there's a small white outline that goes around the different flags as we move the cursor around. I'm going to choose English today. This screen is all about choosing what weight units you want to assign when you find and record it in your detector. I'm going to go with grams. So move the cursor across. This screen is all about the length units related to GPS and when you're recording your find. I'm going to go with centimetres and metres. Now I'm in South Australia today, so what I'm going to do is choose UTC plus 10.5. Just going to scroll down. And select it. Right. Now we haven't got any headphones on today, so you're not going to hear any detector noises in this video. That's mostly just due to the convenience of being indoors. Okay, we're on the home screen now, and in the top left you can see a green icon, which is the quick start icon. This is basically where you should always go if you get a bit tangled up with your settings in your detector, or you think something's not quite right. Just go back to here and press this icon. What it'll ask you is whether you want to keep your current settings, or you could reset all your audio and detector settings. So we're going to reset audio and detector settings today. Now it's going to do a noise cancel. It's asking me to hold it up at waist height. And the icon cycles around showing you the progress. What the detector's doing here is it's sampling all the different radio frequencies in the environment wherever you are, and it's deciding which is the quietest frequency to run the detector at. Okay, we're almost done now. The icon's come to complete full circle, and it finishes with a tick. Now we're going to do a quick track. We're going to pull the trigger and move the detector from side to side, and it gets an excellent balance with respect to the ground. The tick tells you it's finished, you can let go. Now we're back to the home screen, and the detector's in a state where you could just walk off and go detecting with it. All of the settings have been pre-configured here at engineering to be what we hope to be the best you could use. It's a good opportunity for you to now use the detector, get familiar with the detector, and then finally start exploring some of the other settings. Thanks.